In this video, I will show you how to buy Bitcoin Networks coin BTCN. There are two ways: one with the Trust Wallet and PancakeSwap, another one with the Bitmart Exchange. So this video, I will show you with the PancakeSwap method. So I have Binance USD coins. 105 tokens are there. I will buy the coin with these 105 coins. Go to the DApps in the Trust Wallet and select the PancakeSwap in the menu. And the top right corner yellow icon is there, right? Click on that and it should show smart chain. If it is not there, select the smart chain only from that menu. And the top right corner you can see the wallet address. That means it is connected to your Trust Wallet. This PancakeSwap is connected to the Trust Wallet. And here in the select token, in the drop down, you have to select BTCN and the balance is 105 Binance USD. Now I am going to swap with this Binance USD with the BTCN. If token is not there, paste your address here, contract address here, so you can get that contract address, BTCN contract address, either from their official website or from CoinMarketCap. So I already added and selected this BTCN. That's what is showing added by user. Now I am going to use all my 105 coins, or you can click on the max. So the estimated BTCN coins I will get around 37.9. So this is estimated. 99% you will get the same kind of same coins, 37.9. And after that, click on the swap. Once you click on the swap, it will ask you to confirm the swap. Meanwhile, if price is changed, okay, and we know, right, the price can change within a fraction of seconds, so we have to accept, and then again click on the confirm swap. That confirmation, this transaction will be submitted to the Binance Smart Chain. Click on the approve now. Internally, it is converting that Binance USD BUSD to BNB coin. That's why you may not see that exact dollars amount here, but once you go to the BSC scan website, you can see that here it is showing transaction submitted, right? Click on that view on BSC scan. There you can see your transaction progress there. So once you see this, first the transaction is there are three transactions. One is converted to BUSD to BNB and BNB to BTCN. There are three they are showing, right, from wallet to one wallet. And close this and come back to the Trust Wallet. So right now it is showing me BUSD, but if you refresh, it will show you 0. Yeah, 0. And even Bitcoin Networks also will show you the balance 37.9. okay, if you can't see the BTCN here, go and check custom token and add the token to the Trust Wallet. According to the Bitcoin Networks reward mechanism, you will get rewards for every 600 blocks that is processed in Bitcoin Network. So right now my coins balance is 37.9, right? So I will show you. See, after 8 hours, now my balance became 38. And the dollars also increased because of the coins value is increased actually. So if you see 37.9 to 38, that means 0.07 I got. Yeah, this is a simple mechanism. I explained how we are getting the rewards. So as soon as you refresh, you can see the latest rewards in the Trust Wallet itself. Yeah, that's it about how to buy BTCN coin. Thank you.